practice purposing on here, whatever we are going to discuss. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Clear? Okay. So this is the environment. You can able to find it on here. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another one, we do have on-premises who are having a very good configuration, who wants to do installation on your system that is valid for 3 years, but not recommended. Why? Because if it is on your system, once if you do one setup and configuration today, and tomorrow we are going to discussing a new one, and day after tomorrow we are going to discuss again new one. So you will do the only one time. Why? Because what you did practice today, that won't be deleted at all. If it is uh, cloud hosted, even without your interference, system automatically will get deleted. Whenever it has been deleted, again you should have to create all the setups and configuration from the scratch. Okay, if you want to be on-premises installation, then you must have to be minimum 16 GB RAM. For me, that is 32 GB RAM I'm having. Okay, that is, you can see this one, the speed is 5200 MT per second. Okay, and there you can see this one, the processor is i9 processor with 13th generation. Okay, for you, what I'm recommending you, minimum i5 and above processor with 8th generation and above. Okay, for me storage, I'm having 954, that we used to call it as a 1 TB storage I'm having. Okay, if you have that configuration, then the system will be supported to install this on-premises software on here. Okay, so we are providing the latest version, that is 10.2.43. We will share the contact details. You can connect with them and install that software also. Okay, who are having all this configuration, for them, you can use this one on here. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
So for a cloud account, what is the configuration we need?
Sorry, what is it?
No, so we are discussing about on-prem, right? For system configuration. For cloud, so what is the system configuration we need? The RAM and everything?
No, for cloud, it is not required. Even if browser is working, that is the configuration.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Because that servers, each and everything, it has been deployed in the cloud. Even you can able to create that environment in your mobile also by using. But mobile, it seems to be very, very small size and not recommended to use that one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is about application environment and all. Now what I can say that that environment creation part is clear. So tomorrow we can go and start about application related things on here. Clear? Say yes or no.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, ma. We'll see you tomorrow with same time at 7 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Okay,
See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.